Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, my brother and sister, today it's January 13, 2025. It's Monday. So, I don't have work today. It's my day off. I will show you now my updated physique. We already start to reduce some carbs. So, we are getting lean now. We're starting to get lean. So, it's almost 9:35 a.m. now here in Dubai, UAE. So we will check my physique, quick physique update. So we will do the basic posing, the front, side, and back shot. So I don't have anything in my stomach, brother. I didn't eat. My brother says I don't have anything in my stomach. I didn't eat yet. I just woke up. So I hope you enjoyed the video, my brother and sister. So let's go. So I will show you my my update physique. We are getting lean now because I didn't eat carbs now. I just I just reduced the carbs, my brother and sister. So let's go. So we do the front shot, side and back shot. Then we will do the 7 mandatory pose of bodybuilding. So let's go. So this is my front shot. Side. Back. Side. Okay. Next we'll do the 7 mandatory pose of bodybuilding, my brother and sister. We do front, side and back shot. So first, front double bicep and front lat spread. Let's go. When I'm posing my brother and sister, I'm controlling my breathing so I can showcase all of my my muscle in my body. And the cuts. Let's go. Front double bicep. Lat spread. Okay, side chest. Side tricep. Okay, next we do some back shot. We do back double bicep and back lat spread. Lat spread. Next, abdominal and thigh. Okay, last most muscular. Let's go. So that's it, my brother and sister. Our updated physique, January 13, 2025. It's Monday, my brother and sister. It's my day off. I hope you enjoyed the video, my brother and sister. So we don't have anything in my stomach. It's empty stomach. That's why the muscle is more defined, especially in the belly, because it's no food there inside. So I will eat now my first meal, my brother and sister. I will eat some oatmeals, little oatmeal, then some tuna and vegetable. So that's it, my brother and sister. Our updated physique, January 13, 2025. I hope you enjoyed the video. So before I go, my brother and sister, I hope you don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell, so you'll always be updated to my new uploaded video to my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my brother and sister. So I'll see you again, my brother and sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training. Peace.